Hello everyone, I hope you will be fine. Welcome back to Learn Flutter. In this video, we are explore one of the most common used widget in Flutter, the text widget. Let's learn how to display text with style, size, alignment and much more. Let's start it. First, we read the document of this widget. What is a text widget? The text widget in Flutter is used to display a string of text on the screen. It is very powerful and customizable. Let's see the properties. Let's look at the most important properties you can use with the text widget. Style for customizing font size, color, weight, etc. textAlign to align the text left, right, center. Justify. maxLines to limit how many lines the text can take. Overflow to handle overflow using ellipse. Soft wrap to control wrapping. Text scalar factor to scale the size of the text. Semantics lab for accessibility. Let's move to the code. Body, then take center. After we use child, then we take widget of text. Welcome to Learn Flutter. You can see it. I write welcome to Learn Flutter. Let's explore the text widget in details. Now I save it and reload the app. You can see it. This is our text. Now we styling it. We use style. First we use font size. (24). After that we use font weight like font weight dot. You can choose any font weight according to your need. I select it. There are some issue. I see it. Sorry. Here is a mistake. Font weight. Now see the result. After that, we use another property like font style. Font style is italic. Now you can see the result. You can also change the color of the text like colors blue. After that, we use property like letter spacing. In 1.5, you can see it. There is a space between our letters. You can also change the background color of the text. You can see it. Furthermore, we can use alignment and overflow properties. You can see it. Our text is going to outside. If we use maxLines to, you can see that our text begin to two lines. Now we use property soft wrap true. You can change the maxLines 3. This is our result of the widget. These are the main properties of text widget in Flutter app. If you found this helpful, don't forget like, subscribe and share.